Hey everybody, it's me, Pepe. I'm here with a little landscape job that we're going to be doing today, and I wanted to show you guys pretty much what we're going to do, and I wanted to concentrate right now on how we create these concrete decorative borders all around your landscape. So stay with me, and we're going to show you how we create a beautiful landscape border, and then later in another video I'll show you what this looks like when we start to do the actual installation of the plants. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you that we have to mix up this cement. Now this is a commercial grade Portland cement, plus we're going to add some coloring to it, and we're also going to add some reinforced fiber material to make it really strong. Then when it's being poured, I'll come back and I'll show you how we use the machine to pour the border. Alright, our machine is ready to go. We're going to put the concrete mix in here, bring it over to the outlined areas of the beds, and we're going to start pouring this border. Okay, so here we have our border that's been laid all around the base of this landscape area, and you can see we've stamped it, and this was done by hand with a roller and then a little bit of work with a trowel to give it that nice pattern that it currently has. And then ultimately we'll put this all together and let you see what this looks like after we've actually installed all of the bedding plants in here.